Hello friends, today we will discuss about different types of sliding gates for various needs. Automatic sliding gate operators are the systems that are most commonly used for commercial gate automation purposes. As the sliding gates motor is an excellent choice for residential driveway gate automation. A sliding gate kit can be used as an automatic gate opener for different places or on construction sites according to site restrictions. There are many types of sliding gate operators that can be used to protect houses and various places from unwanted incoming and outgoing. Velos sliding gate operators. Velos sliding gate operators are of small dimension but with big power. This Velos operator allows more versatility of installation for the narrow spaces. The key factor about the Velos gate operators is that they are specially designed for residential gates. In this gate operator, sturdy materials like die-cast aluminum, steel and bronze make the sliding gate operator very resistant and durable, as the material used. Velos sliding gate motors are from the best quality standards made in Italy. As a matter of fact, Velos sliding gate operators clean the rail automatically so that the gate can work smoothly and the gate doesn't have to struggle with obstruction. Movie series sliding gate openers. The movie series sliding gate operators are user-friendly to install and are a perfect pick to automate any types of the sliding gate. As this operator has a wide range of models in sliding gate kits, it is easy for the customers to choose the most appropriate automatic sliding gate opener depending on how much the gate weighs. One more benefit of using these movie series as an automatic system for sliding gates is that it can handle large-size sliding gates, which means they are also suitable for heavy-duty applications in the industrial field. Hence, thanks to its powerful motor, this sliding gate kit can handle automatic sliding gates. Urkel Industrial Sliding Gate System. Urkel Series Sliding Gate Opener is the perfect choice for installation of automating heavy-duty industrial gates. The frontal manual of the lever allows the user to manually control the sliding gate, which is beneficial in cases of emergency like electrical blackouts. The electromechanical sliding gate operators are guaranteed for longer usage, all thanks to the sturdy metals present in the operators like aluminum for gearbox housing and zinc-plated iron for sliding gate opener's body. Urkel Series sliding gate executes every task safely, and the crash prevention of openers is guaranteed by the mechanical clutch present in the industrial sliding gate motor. Titano Industrial Sliding Gate Operators. The automatic sliding gate offers a powerful Titano series of heavy-duty sliding gate operators. Titano heavy-duty industrial sliding gate opener has a manual unlocking system which allows the gate to open, even if an electrical power blackout situation occurs. The powerful three-phase self-ventilated gearmotor is present in the sliding gate control board for intensive use. Industrial sliding gate openers also have an advantage, which is the easy access of the control board department. Titano sliding gate openers are specially built out of highly resistant substances and are suitably designed for the automation of heavy sliding gates up to 6,000 kg. As a result, Titano series is one of the most suitable choices when preferring a heavy-duty sliding gate opener. Zebra sliding gate openers. Zebra sliding gate openers have a small dimension but big power capacity. Zebra series of the electric sliding gate is specially designed for residential gates weighing from 300 kilograms to 600 kilograms. The high-quality materials such as die-cast aluminum, steel and bronze make this operator very resistant and durable. In case of power failure, the sliding gate motor allows the system to unlock the gearmotor by means of the opposite key. More to that, this motor for sliding gates can be operated without electricity as there is an optional backup battery unit. All above are the various types of operative motors used in sliding gates that are suitable for different purposes. To know more about sliding gates, visit at www.quickoitaly.com/n. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.